There's a lot of excellent content up on Make projects, and one of the more popular ones is a PVC dyeing technique by Sean Michael Reagan and the accompanying cable dyeing project. I wanted to try it out, so let's take a look at what you need. First, you'll need some petroleum dye, which you can find on eBay. You'll also need some clear cleaner, which is just like purple primer for PVC, but it doesn't have the purple dye in it. You can find it at a hardware store that sells any kind of PVC supplies. You'll also need gloves, some rags or paper towels, a tray to work on, and something to dye like this extension cord. Now you'll also need a well-ventilated space, so let's head outside.
While wearing your gloves, drop the right amount of the color dye you want into the can of clear cleaner. For a listing of the different colors and the right amounts of dye to add, check Sean's write-up on Make Projects. Firmly close the lid on the clear cleaner and shake it gently for 15 seconds. Test out the color on a piece of PVC. If it looks about right, start to paint it onto your cord, working your way from one end to another, being sure to cover it completely with dye. After that, let it dry for about a half an hour. Keep in mind that this method doesn't always work well with all types of plastic, so be careful when you're trying it out. As you can see, it doesn't work very well on these iPhone USB chargers. If using only a single color is a little dull for you, check out what Make Reader Elizabeth did. On one, she used multiple colors to make a cool tie-dyed cord, and on another, she applied star stickers before applying the dye, and then removed them to make this cool patriotic or magic-themed extension cord.
So I went over any of the light spots with a second coat and let it dry for another half an hour, and I think it turned out pretty well. Now if you want to try this out yourself, either the cable dyeing or the PVC dyeing, be sure to read all the instructions and precautions on makeprojects.com. And if you do try it out, take pictures of your project and post them to the Make Flickr pool. Until next time, so long.